Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Pathshala. My name is Maninder Tawar. Today we will discuss about AWS Route 53. What is Route 53? Route 53 is a DNS web service in AWS. Why its name is Route 53? Because DNS works on TCP port number 53. Now the question is how we can get a DNS and how it works. So DNS we can say is a domain name system like facebook.com, youtube.com and gmail.com. There is a public IP behind these domains because computer doesn't understand the domain names, it understands the IP. IP is the computer language and domain name system is, we can say, a human language. I'll give you a simple example. Like everyone is using a mobile phone. You must save others number by a name, but behind the name there is a phone number. So phone understand that number only, not the name. Similarly, a DNS works. DNS is a domain name that we use for our websites, and there is a IP behind it which actually forward the traffic to the website. So in this video, we will learn how we can register a new domain and how we can use it. So let's get started. This is my AWS console. Here I have a web server on which my test application is running. I'll show you. Here you can see Hello Cloud Pathshala. This is my test application. So now this is running on public IP. Now we have to use the DNS name for this website. Let's go into Route 53. First, we have to register a domain. If you already have a domain, you can use it. If you don't have, you can register your domain here. You can take an example of any domain like webtest.com. So you can search it. It will show you the price for that. So it is not available. The other domains are available. Domains name are unique because these are globally accessible. So we have to select a unique domain name. If a domain has been purchased by someone, you cannot purchase it. You have to search for the domain which is not in use. So let's take another example. Web server test098.in. This is available and the annual price is 15 USD for this. You can select it and purchase it. But I have registered my domain with other vendor. You can use other vendors like GoDaddy, BigRock, and many are available in market. So here you can see my domain name is mktconnect.in here. My domain is already registered. I'll just create a hosted zone in AWS. So I can manage it from AWS only. Okay, so domain name is mktconnect.in. Okay, this is a public hosted zone. So I have created this. Now these are the name server for this domain name. If you want to manage it from Amazon only, you have to register name servers with your vendor. Like here in my case, it is Big Rock. So I have to register this in Big Rock as well. Let's do it. We have successfully updated the name servers here. Let's try to create a record with our public IP. Let's check the public IP for our web server. So this is public IP. Let's create a record with this. So this is IP. web.mktconnect.in I want to use. So record has been created, web.mktconnect.in with the public IP. Let's test it if it is working. So it will take some time to reflect the changes. Let's try it in instance itself. Here you can see it is working with our domain name. So this is how domain name works with public IP. That's all for today's video. We'll connect in next video with new interesting topic. Thank you guys.